Kubor nagaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ka Assam Himanta beswa sarma ha kasiba aru laong. Bos ngos kem bak sorkar Meghalaya kan amne Eiei ha kanu ka jaka ka bahap Hapoh put Assam jo ka Assam bat ba ka sorkar Assam ru kan ne kumju da ka ba anamle Eiei ha put Assam ka Meghalaya. Ya kani Himanta la kran chikilat pathai khubor hasil char hadien balawai ka jingalang jo ka kenhun menteri ka sorkar Assam. Himanta laong ka Assam ka Meghalaya kidan yo tau constitutional boundary bat kidan ru ki map habaro artali ki jilla ngas ngos kem ba ka sorkar Meghalaya kan amne ya kanu ka kam Hapoh put Assam jo ka Assam ndai la ong ru ba Lada ja ba ka sorkar Meghalaya ka le Eiei kata kan am don jing mot Eiei hakmat ka an haba batai ba ka jingkran ba ka Meghalaya ka ya hlor put Assam unget kem ba ka sorkar Meghalaya kan am montur sho put Assam jo ka Assam bat ba ka sorkar Assam ru kan am netur Shau put Assam ka Meghalaya. Haki jaka ba ka jingpen bet yo put Assam kampat dap Himanta laong bagi artli ki jilla kin bat bet ya ka status ko. Habakren halor ka jingja hamukro wala uklem shim kerteng menteri Rangba ka Assam ulaong ba nakapor sa kapor ula juong bagi pulit kim dei bansiat ya ki ripat ba. Ula benrap da ka baong laki dei ginong shong ka Meghalaya ni Assam ki pulit ki diban pendon kam ya ki atiar persya ya ki brio pentriem bat ki runar bat am persya ya ki brio ki balui-lui ngam sngo bahasa tia ya katu ka jingsian shu ula ang balada kaladan ka jingwan tu di ngana klau ka rukam mania daya kata ka jingtu kala de ban long to kumwei ka jingshem no e ka jingem jong ki rio pat ba kalong ka ka ba am sngo tenat satia ula benram Ula ong ru bakum kitu ki jingja ka arpu arterek unai wing hamukro ki dei namar ki katu kat ni ki officer katu kat ni ki brio bat ki katu kat ni ki mat ki jura ki badan ha ki than hendai ula ong ba katu ka jingja ka nom dan jikta ya ka jingya dei ka bayar hapdeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya haba jubab ya ka we ka jingkali Himanta ula ong ngidan ka jingket kli ban ya dai ki nong shong ka Meghalaya ki basa ha Assam bat ka sorkar Meghalaya ka dan ka jingket kli ban ai jingya dai ki nong shong ka Assam ki badan ha Meghalaya kata ka dei ka jingya sungthu.
See, Assam Meghalaya boundary, there is a constitutional boundary. The maps are available to both the state. I am sure that Meghalaya government will not do anything within the constitutional boundary of the state of Assam. If they do something, that will not have any legal validity. Suppose there is a police station. If that police station take any case, and if somebody goes to the court that how Meghalaya can have a police station including Assam, in Assam territory, all cases will be quashed by High Court because of jurisdiction. So we are negotiating any boundary adjustment that will happen through the committee which we have formed. But I strongly believe that Meghalaya government will not come inside the constitutional boundary of Assam, and definitely Assam will also not enter into the constitutional boundary of Meghalaya. So we have already discussed on minutes are there that till dispose is resolved, status quo will be maintained. That minutes is already there between the government of Meghalaya and government of Assam. However, I have said time and again that police should not fire civilians. Whether they are citizen of Meghalaya or Assam, police should use their weapons against terrorists, against criminals, not against the innocent people. Every time whenever police recruitment take place, I always tell police that don't use this weapon against the civilian. So I do not approve the firing incident. Even if there is a forest theft, there could have been other possible way to prevent that. Taking life of civilians is not appreciated.
Sir, do you think that this Mukro village incident will adversely affect Assam Meghalaya?
Nothing will happen because these incidents, these happens because of certain officer, maybe certain of person, because of certain local issue. It will not have any relation or problem in the broader landscape of Assam-Meghalaya relationship.
Sir, any talk about the security or safety of the people of Assam?
There is no need. Vehicles are plying. Absolutely, there is no problem. we are duty bound to secure life of Meghalaya citizen in Assam, and Meghalaya government is constitutionally bound to give security to the citizen of Assam. That is the understanding. And I don't think that there is any problem. Last 3-4 days, vehicles are plying. আৰু মেঘালয় গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে বাছ আৰু ট্ৰাক কেতিয়াও বন্ধ কৰা নাছিল. I have stopped it. So last 5 days যি গাড়ী বন্ধ হৈ আছিল, that was advisory of Assam government that don't ply vehicle. Meghalaya did not stop any vehicle. TV এটো wrongly ওলাই আছিলে, ময়ো clarify কৰিব যোৱা নাই. Meghalaya has not stopped plying of vehicle from the day one. Only মইহে বন্ধ কৰি থৈছিলোঁ যাতে কোনো unseen incident এটাই flare up নকৰে. গতিকে that has nothing to do with Meghalaya government.
Normal time होतो